Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have one dishwasher for the repair. It is brand wise Midea brand. The problem is, according to the customer complained to us, this machine is getting switching on. Everything's perfect, but dishes are not working, washing properly. The performance are very bad. But we went to the customer house and we checked what is the problem exactly, and we found the motor is not working. Uh, at customer home, it is very difficult to check also. Because of that, we collected from the customer house. We walked to the wash shop, and now this machine, as same customer informed to us, the machine is working, getting power, switching on everything, but the problem is water taking to the machine, but wash motor not working. Because of that, now we have to remove and check what is the problem, where is the problem exactly, and after that only we have to decide what we can do. And I'm going to show you how to do that. And first of all, we have to remove the top cover and side two cover. uh, Only we have to remove. After that we can check what is the problem. Now I will show you how to remove the top cover and front panel. No need to remove the front panel, but side cover too, and top cover we have to remove. And let's see what is the problem exactly. This is not enough. Because of that, we have to take the long screwdriver. This machine already motor not working because of the water came here. Is water came, I think here in Dubai is last couple of months ago is heavy rain and all area got flooded. Because of that I'm thinking the same like this machine they kept maybe inside the kitchen. Already water here also this much water came, here everywhere water. Because of that here also rusty, it's too much rusted. The motor not rotating, motor got struck actually. We will try to repair this machine. Here it's everywhere water. Now it's got dry, but it's already, before it's already water came inside the machine. This motor already got struck. What I did, I put this one electric motor cleaner, and also some grease, and this one we can turn like that. It is already got stuck because of the water. Already the water gone inside the machine also. Machine will run, motor will get start, but bearing we cannot replace. If it is making huge noise, we have to replace the bearing also. This is small bearing 6201, something like that bearing size, and now it's already loose. It's still inside mud everywhere because of the flood. It's too much heavy rain in Fujairah area. Its flood came. It's flooded everywhere. Now already released the motor. Now we have to check with the power, motor working or not. If it is not working, we have to change the capacitor. We will check. Now I already given power. A drain motor already before also worked. That's mean no any problem with the drain motor. Now problem with the main motor, wash motor. Let's see it will start or not. Just now it's taking water inside the machine. This water already taken to the machine. Now our problem only one, this wash motor. If it is start, our problem getting solved. Yes, dear friends. Yes, it is working. Yes, it is working, but problem, you can hear the noise. The bearing noise already. We have to discuss with the customer, and if it is customer agree, we can send back to the customer. Otherwise, we have to replace the bearing. That sound will little bit it will come down because I already put grease, polyurethane grease, and this one. Hopefully it will come down. Now our problem will solve. Already our problem already got solved. We resolved the problem. Machine is running. Now we have to refix. After fixing cover also, it's that much noise not coming from the motor. It's already covering because of that. Now we have to refix and hand over to the customer. Yeah, it's coming down the motor noise. No need to replace anything. Now I already fixed all the covers and everything. Now we have to check, finally checking only. We already discussed with the customer. No need to do extra anything because customer agree to without replacing bearing to we have to hand over to the machine. We have to fix here one screw. So it's already coming 2 screws, but one is enough. We have to fix this one. Now I already fixed everything, covers, everything done. Now I have to check only final test. Power on. Again I will go for programs 29 minutes quick and start. Drain motor already start. Yes, water take into the machine. Only 1 minute came down. Yes, machine got start. Yes, it is okay. We finished the job now. Finally, we can deliver to the customer. Hopefully tomorrow. I already discussed with the customer. Customer also very happy. Thanks for watching my channel. If you have any comment, friends, kindly comment. Also, I'm expecting your subscriber. Thanks for watching again.